Hope you all like my previous vlog. If you missed it, please check out the end screens. Now let's check out the new vlog. Oh my god, friends, look at that. So beautiful. Wow. You all know that. So we came from all the way from the top. So we are going to the waterfall closest point. That would be nice. There are two, looks like there are 2 points here. You can go in the left and there is a closer point, I guess. Finally, we are here at the waterfall. Look at that. Amazing, man. I have to tell you, best weather and awesome, very nice. So that's one more time, amazing view. Little bit information about here, River Amber, that's what it is. So we are finally at, hey, कैसा लग रहा है ये place? So beautiful, seriously. I am very close now. Let me show you guys. Check it out. Wow. This is so breathtaking. Seriously. You can still go till there. So now I'm taking you to the closest look. That is so beautiful. Now I am the closest to the usual. Okay, last time we have watched it from there. Wow. There are not too many steps, but manageable. Look at all this. To tell you honestly, I didn't even feel like coming out from there. Amazing. Almost exhausted. I think there are about 300. 300 steps. So to come out, there is a shop, I think, where you can refresh a little bit. Let's go inside. I don't know whether we have any food or. That's a Blackwater Trading Co. Yeah, nice. So, I could just go inside and check it. It's a pretty decent shop actually. It's good. It's a gift shop and everything. You can purchase whatever you want. Nice. Pretty good. Wow, look at that. So that's the snack bar. If you ask me, I would suggest you to pack your lunch and come. It's not bad, but if you want to support local community, I think yeah, you can do it. So West Virginia, thank you so much for the wonderful experience. But I miss one thing. One thing is coming in fall. Imagine this, all leaves turn into different colors. Man. So we are now on our way to our next state actually. In a day, 2 states. So we are going to now Virginia. So this is West Virginia. Now we are going to Virginia state. So yeah, and then we will try to explore there. So yeah, I'll just show you around. It's so cloudy now. Check it out. It's so cloudy. Let's check this out. I don't know what is that. those fans like windmills? That was the place where we were at starting, So we came all the way till here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. Just look at my back. We stopped at another point. This is the point I was talking about the fall. Oh god, look at that. Let me show you. That is breathtaking. That is breathtaking. Breathtaking indeed. Oh my god. Imagine we passed through the cloud. You know that thing over there? Like that's a cloud actually. We drove into the clouds. This is amazing. I thought it's just only in India. But look at this. People just trying to leave their symbol, something, just to remember by, I guess. So that, they come here next time and they can just see it. Look at the beautiful cloud. Wow. This is breathtaking. And that's the place where we were earlier. Wow. So we literally drove through all those things and, we went to the fall and then here. Just way too good. I don't know what is that. Is that a farm or I don't know. Wow, that's the highway. Check out that clouds. Way too good. Those clouds are like